Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the California Institute of Technology for the graduate program. So first click on create your account, then enter the email address, then enter the first name. Okay, set the password. Then confirm the password. Enter the first name and the last name. What happens, some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth. Click on these check boxes and then click on create your account. Then you need to verify your email address. You must have received the link on your email address, so verify your email address. After verifying it, just click on login. Enter the email address and the password and click on login. Now click on online application. Application checklist. So just check this, all the things you need for your application, and then click on the next page. Then select your legal sex. Gender identity is optional, so you can skip that. Then enter your city, birth city. Enter your birth place. Like this you can skip because this is US and Canada states only. Enter your birthplace country, then your country of citizenship. If you are not a US citizen, what type of visa you currently hold? So F student, you can, are you a veteran of the US Armed Force? Select accordingly. Do you consider yourself to be the first generation college student? So you can select accordingly. Please select one of the following ethnicities, so non-Hispanic or Latino. Choose your category. Enter the address. Enter the state. Okay. The state and US zip code you have to skip. Now enter your country, international postal code. Then telephone number, always add by adding +91 in the starting. If mailing address is same as permanent, then you can click on this and enter the telephone number again and the email address and click on the next page. Now the program information, just select the program for which you want to apply for, which is chemistry. Select the term fall 2024 and click on choose program. Now select the area of interest, area of special interest 1, 2 and 3. And if you have other, you can enter that. Final degree objective, so PhD, and then click on the next page. Now enter your educational summary, like your details of your BSc as well as MSc. So click on search for institution. Click on this link because your school is definitely outside the US or Canada, so you can click on this link and enter the institution name directly. So first enter the details of your BSc, when you have started attending, to when you have completed, Then degree level awarded. So undergraduate, you can write maybe BSc. Date when you have granted with the degree. GPA you have obtained, and then you need to upload the transcript here, BSc transcript. Now you can click on add another school and add the details of your MSc. So again, click on search for institution and then click on this link and enter the details here, the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this degree, month and the year when you have completed this degree, degree or level awarded or expected, so postgraduate, which is MSc, then the date of the degree, the expected date of the degree you need to enter, the GPA you have obtained, and upload the MSc transcript. Now you can click on the next page after adding the details. Now test scores, so you need to check whether your department requires the GRE scores or not. If they require, then you have to definitely add the details of that. If they don't require, then you can enter the details of any of the proficiency test scores which you have taken. Okay. The test date, the total score, TOEFL score you need to add. Or if you have given IELTS score, if you have given IELTS, then you can add the score of the IELTS. Now here you can you have to upload the CV. Now statement of purpose, read the details that what you need to add in the statement of purpose. After adding the required things, you need to add the statement of purpose here. Now additional essay, this is if you want to upload it, you can add it, or if you don't want, then you can leave it. Now scholarships or fellowship, if you have any or if you have applied for any, you can add the details here. Now how did you hear about Caltech's graduate program? So select accordingly and then click on the next page. Now the letters of recommendation, so you need to add this, the first name, last name, organization, salutation, position or title, email address, and then click on submit recommendation request. Then add the second one, first name, last name, organization, salutation, position or title, email address, and then click on submit recommendation request. Now add the third one, first name, last name, organization, salutation, position or title, then email address, and click on submit recommendation request. After submitting all the three recommendation requests, just click on next page. After that, click on I agree and submit. Now these are the payment details. So you need to make this payment, and after making the payment, you will be done with your application.